Welcome to the Sweetheart Market. Just beyond the ordinary days of February, there's a little market that opens quietly each morning. Shelves filled with small cakes and sugared hearts. Love notes are tucked into jars, and everything here is made slowly and with care. A gnome tends to the baking stall, setting out treats meant to be shared, while soft pages wait to hold memories, letters and gentle moments worth keeping. This is the Sweetheart Market, a place for handmade love, quiet stories, and all the sweet things we carry with us. This kit includes 91 total pages, thoughtfully designed to mix and match while keeping that cozy storybook feel. You'll find journal pages, perfect for writing, memory keeping, and building the foundation of a Valentine or February journal, or just any time of year. There are 16 ephemera pages filled with hearts, bakery pieces, gnomes, word strips, and little market details meant for layering and storytelling. The paper pack includes 27 different pattern paper designs, giving you plenty of variety. Pattern papers are included in 12 by 12 as well as 8.5 by 11 sizes. The 8.5 by 11 are in portrait and landscape orientations, so they work beautifully for journals, folios, scrapbooks, and mixed media projects. Everything in the Sweetheart Market is designed to coordinate from the colors to the textures, so you can move slowly, build layers, and let pages tell their own story. Come in, take what you want, and leave a little love behind. The Sweetheart Market is open now in my Etsy shop. The link will be down in the description box.